I was out on a hike and had been watching these chukar for a while when suddenly this coyote burst over the ridge and started chasing him. There were about 30 or 40 chukar up there, so I figured he probably had a pretty good chance at catching one. I'm not sure why, maybe because he lost his element of surprise, but at this point he seems to let this flock go and moves on around the cliff. There are chukar all throughout this cliffy area. If you've ever hunted chukar, you know that the sound they make is just taunting. Here the chukar start making a noise I've never heard before. I'm guessing it's some kind of a danger signal. When he's not moving, this coyote's almost impossible to spot against the rock. Talk about perfect camouflage. However, when he crosses the snow, it's a completely different story. Here the coyote seems to really get bogged down by the deep snow, but he doesn't let it stop him. There are several chukar hanging out on the cliff edge to his right. For whatever reason, he doesn't pay them any mind at all and just keeps on traveling. Up until this point, I was sure that this coyote was hunting chukar. But here I start to wonder if that's what he's doing at all. At this point, he's within 5 or 6 feet of several of them. They're no longer making the alarm call, so they don't seem to be worried about him at all. When I was filming this and he runs over the ridge right here, I could have sworn that I heard a squawk from a bird that he'd caught. However, when you review the footage, that's not what happened at all. After hanging out on this ridge for 10 or 15 minutes, he lays down in this grass. I can't tell if he's being patient and waiting for them to come to him, or if he's just taking a rest. This chukar's plenty brave, or stupid. I watched this go on for about 5 minutes. He never did seem to chase them. I'm not exactly sure what this coyote was doing, but it was fascinating to watch.